Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials. Make sure your Google Pay app is updated and your phone runs a supported OS. Enable NFC and location. Without those, contactless payments fail. Once done, add a payment method. Prefer a card issued for international use or a tokenized virtual card to avoid blocks. You'll also set screen security like PIN or fingerprint because Google Pay requires it. This gets you past the first gate and ready for country-specific settings. Now configure your payment profile for the destination. Change country settings only if you meet residency rules, or keep your home profile and rely on international cards. Add the card and complete verification. The bank may send an OTP or require app approval. Once verified, test with a small contactless buy or transit fare. This confirms merchant terminals accept tokenized payments. Make sure to switch mobile data or Wi-Fi as needed to complete verification calls or SMS. You're ready to pay. Hold the back of your phone near the terminal until you see a confirmation. If prompted, select contactless or Google Pay on the reader. Monitor bank alerts for holds or foreign fee messages because many banks flag unusual overseas activity. If a transaction is declined, reopen the app, check card status, and contact your bank to lift blocks. Once done, retry. A key troubleshooting tip: if country mismatches stop verification, ask the bank to reauthorize or temporarily enable international usage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.